The makers of the world's #1 battery-powered portable solar freezer brings you the new Lion Cooler Pro. The all-in-one freezer, refrigerator, and battery pack to suit all your needs on the go. Stay on the move with 12 hours of refrigeration of battery power that can easily be recharged with multiple options. Need to charge your device? With a compact power bank, you don't have to worry about running out of power and missing those moments. The multifunctional power bank can be inserted into the cooler and used as a power source, or it can be taken out to charge your laptop, smartphone, drone, or LED light. The Lion Cooler Pro keeps your food and beverages icy cold on the go with its smart, cableless battery-powered design. Plug it directly into your car. Stay on the move with a portable and compact solar panel. Plug it directly into the solar panel. Or utilize your home wall charger. Unlike conventional coolers, the iceless design allows you to store more food and beverages for your needs. Control the Lion Cooler Pro with your smartphone and the app for quick and convenient adjustments. Make use of the convenient rear-mounted bottle holder and pouch. Enjoy an icy cold beverage with the use of the bottle opener. The included straps with the telescope handle allow for optimal transportation from multiple locations. The portable, well-designed all-terrain wheels suits all your needs and situations. The Lion Cooler Pro comes in 3 different sizes: the PX30, PX40, and the PX50. So when you're about to explore the outdoors, enjoy an icy cold beverage with the Lion Cooler Pro.